Good afternoon and welcome. It's Angus Levy for Binary Option Networking, and the time is just coming up to midday. So we're going to start trading. You should be able to see my screen now. Possible signal coming up here on Euro GBP, so if you want to get your platform ready. Hi Brian, nice to see you. Hi Daniel, Ned. We had a great morning this morning. Ed was on, but I don't think Brian or Daniel, you were on. But it was really good. We did 660 odd. So I don't know if we're going to do as well this afternoon. We don't generally do as well in the afternoon sessions, but let's see. This one is weakening. I'd say it's going to come down in the next candle. I don't know if it's going to give us a signal. It's pretty high in the strength. Well, it's around 70 or 80. Yeah, there we go. Look, that's what I was expecting. Hi, Steph. Welcome. Okay, Brian. No problem. Get on whenever you can. You may give a signal in another couple of minutes. The problem is it needs to be up here. It's just not getting high enough to send us a signal. It may drop down now in the next minute. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's just see how it does in this minute. I like to see it going sideways so it's not pushing up. But I don't want to see it coming down too much either. I want to see it staying up in that zone. Okay, get ready to enter. Stay up. 3, 2, 1, entering. It pops up. Okay. Now I just have to check because this is 72%. I have to check what I go up to on this one. So I have to go up to 60 to recoup. A couple of other signals here. It's a nice one in USD CHF. I'm going to stick with what we have there for the moment. Entering. It's not a win yet. We're tied at the moment. Just looking at GU, unless you're talking about USD CHF. Okay. Just bouncing along on the money, out of the money, on the money, in the money. So I'm going to wait for GU maybe to rise a little higher. Oh, sugar. I have to see what I have to go up to now. 143. Okay. 143. And invest. I'm slow with that, so I missed the drop. If this doesn't win, I'm not going to continue with this trade. I'll wait for another signal because it's gone below, well below the 1.25 now. Yeah, look at that. Sugars. Okay. So we look for another signal. Oh, no, looks like we're going to, come on, drop down, yes. Just expired in the money. Whew, that was close. Yeah, one pipette, I won it by. Now, I was a few seconds late, so that's why I may have won that. How about the rest of you? Well done, Brian. Yeah, that wasn't a nice one now at all. It would have been better staying with UCHF or GU. Okay, so my next entry will be at 44 for the compounding. So we'll see what happens. Hi, Craig. Welcome. So we've had our first trade, which was a win, but we have to go 3 entries to win it. Or to the 3rd entry, I should say. So we'll just see what happens. This morning was absolutely outstanding. We did 12 winners in just over the hour for a profit of over 600. But I don't see that happening now. We've already done one full round by 1/4 past. Market's much slower this afternoon. I'll after this session, I'll upload this morning's session for us, and then this afternoon's as well, this one afterwards, after that as well. All very quiet. A lot happening. It's funny how it can go from frenetic activity at one time to very quiet the next. I was just checking where AU was. Now, although GU didn't break back up above the 8, I'm fairly comfortable with the way it's behaving at the moment. I don't think we're going to see a big breakout or anything. UCHF is below the 8, but it's above the 5. Could possibly carry on down because it's starting to trend there. UJ is below the 5. GU is okay. When you're talking about spreads in binary, it's not quite the same. What do you mean by the higher the spreads? What's your definition of that, Craig? Range of movement, okay. Yeah, absolutely. I don't like these small ones. I prefer nice big candles. So when you take a trade, you get a definite win rather than what, you know, that last one we had, which was only a minor one. Okay, UCHF. I was going to take it, but I can't. I didn't have my thing ready. Sorry, guys. I don't know, did any of you catch that? I know it's between the Bollingers. It was just the way it was stuck on here. Was what I liked about it. Would have been a nice winner too. GU is not a go at the moment. Anyone catch USD CHF? All quiet. Yeah. Although I could have taken it late and won by the looks of it, but I didn't want to risk it. Everything's looking like it's coming back into constriction again. I don't think I'm going to actually use the compounding strategy now. I think I'll just take €25 trades. So quiet. UJ may give a signal very shortly, but just looking at it, I don't think I'm going to. I don't think I'm going to take a trade yet because it's a potential breakout. It's well below the 5. There's plenty of room for it to carry on up. Here, looking at the ADX. Look at the channel, it's way up here. So it'll be up above the top of the screen. So I'm just going to be a little, I'd say if it does break out, it'll go to 161 at least. I could be wrong, but I'm not going to risk it. UCHF, okay, get UCHF ready, guys, for another put. Although it did dip below the 5 and back up again, so hold on a second. Do we take it? No, yeah, we do. It's quite high on the blue here, so we may have to re-enter once, but I'm going to take it. Entering now. Oh, I took it at 44, compounded it. So I'm on the money at the moment. Just have to double check what I have to go up to get it back. $101, okay. I'll put in 103 just to be on the safe side. It's dojied, which means it could go either way. Tied at the last second. Okay, let's see if there's a better one. USD. No. Okay. I was going to see what I have to go up to 232. Dipped just as I took it. And then came back up. Now we're in the money. But they're too small. The movements are too small. This could get dicey. We're not up to the 8 yet. I should have obeyed the rules. I broke the rules. I should have waited until it got up to 8. UJ. Oh. If this doesn't win, I'm going to just stay out for another 1. Yes, I'm in the money at the moment. 2, 1, and it's a winner. Okay. I didn't enjoy that one little bit. Okay, we're going to wait. We're going to wait on UJ because it's not up to the 8 yet. Okay, I'm going to give it a little more space to grow. It is in breakout. If it reaches the 261, then we could take it. So just get UJ ready. I'm going in at 25. I'm not compounding anymore. Oh, there it goes. Okay, too late. Did any of you win USDCHF with me? Give me a bit of feedback, guys. Any of you take US? Hi, Andre. Well done. Well done, Steph. Yeah, Andre, that was this morning's session was just it was brilliant. It was back to where we took 12 winners, and it was back at where we were doing in September. Brilliant. Regular signals, winning within the first to second. I think we did one where we had 2 losses in a row. It's really quiet now. I did quite well actually out of that last one because I tied and then re-entered it on the martingale. So I'm actually, I don't know if you can see that, guys. Oh, I hate the way it does this, and you can't. I'm up 752, just under 753 in fact today. So that's not bad. For an hour and a half's work. Yeah, I'll take that. Thank you. if UJ breaks up above the channel here, it may go and give us a signal in the next minute or two. Oh, the channel just shifted again. See that? Hi, Emmanuel. Welcome. Okay, USD CHF. If you want to get that ready. Again, I'm just going in on a 25 euro trade. I'm not compounding this session. I just don't like it, to be quite honest. 5, 4, 3, 2, enter. Okay, it wants to go up. So go up to 58. I'd rather see it up here on the Bollinger, but if it bounces on the 100 and doesn't pass through, there's a good chance it'll come down on the next one. Yes. Yes, stay down now. Okay. The reason it did that was because it was unable to break through the 100 FIBO. And when it does that, it can then signal a decline. Yeah, that was a nice one. So that's our third winner, I think. Yeah, third winner. And we have another signal on UJ. Okay, UJ potentially can go up higher. We'll just keep an eye on it now. I'm just looking here. You see it's got plenty of room for maneuver to go on up higher than this. I think we'll, what do we do? I'll take it. Entering. Now you see, the reason I was saying that is the blue line here is actually below 50, so there is room for it to go right up. The reason I took it was I was liking the size of this candle compared to the previous ones. Now, it's very risky. It can go either way on us. And also, obviously, it came through and touched the Bollinger. It looks like this is going to be a nice one. Yeah, it's going to be a winner. Okay, great. Fifth winner. I should have been martingaling. Look at this. We've had 3 winners in a row. Damn. Not martingale, sorry, I mean compounding. Did you guys take UJ as well? I'm sorry if I don't give you enough notice, but what I do say is always prepare and be ready. Okay, EG guys, Euro GBP for call. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, entering. Well done. I didn't do that, did I? Sugar. Look what I did. 225. I didn't delete enough. Wow. Well, yeah, that's a lovely bonus for me, but that was risky. Okay. Super. Woohoo! Yeah, nice one for me. I made 175 on that. Oh dear. That's when errors are not costly. That should have brought me very near to the 1000 level in profit. I'll just take a quick look. Yeah, 964. Oh, this is such a pain. 964.69. That's all right. That's the sort of payday I'll accept all day long. Yeah. I just want to take another look at our. So we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners. That's all right. That's not bad for just over half an hour. We'd be up over 200 if we had martingale them. Not martingale, sorry, compounded. Look at Euro USD here in one candle. See how far it's blown. Right through from zero, well below zero, up to 100 in the FIBO. It's gone below the 5 though, so that's danger zone, guys. Potential of a breakout. So is UJ. AU is okay. USD CHF is also below. They're all actually below now, except for Aussie USD. Okay, let's take a look at that last trade we took, EG. As Craig points out, it was below the 5, which is absolutely correct. Why did I feel good taking it? Generally because what happened here, it went right down and it froze, I think, back. It's difficult to say now because the FIBOs are all changed, but it was something to do with the FIBO where it landed and the fact it was so much bigger than the others. Remember what I say, when it's so much bigger than the previous ones, it tends to rebound. And I think it was more intuition than anything, Daniel, to be honest with you, that made me take it. Okay, GU is below. No, I'm not taking it at the moment. I just want to see what happens. I feel comfortable. I would have felt comfortable actually if I'd been paying attention. Strength is pretty low and it started to wane here. So yeah, look at that. Bang. Okay. Where are we here? USD CHF. No, it's come up above. No, these have all reduced back down. We see we might get a signal here on Euro GBP. The others we can't take at the moment. Oh, hold on. You can take USD CHF. If you're fast enough. I took it, I was very late, 9 seconds. I'm going to prepare for a re-entry. I know it was below the 5. It was just the size of that candle again. In fact, it was still at 2 there. That's what made me feel comfortable. I could get in trouble for this, guys. But it is heading nicely up again, so we'll see. I will re-enter. I'm going to re-enter now. No, it's making me pay. We're up at the 8 though. We're up at the 8. So I'm comfortable going in again. No, we're going to win this, I hope. Famous last words. I want to be ready to re-enter. Entering. It's well above the 8 now. This line is going down. I like that. I'd like to see this heading up. Oh, come on. I'm going to be prepared. 318. And if we'd obeyed our signals, guys, we wouldn't have gone through those previous ones because, just take a second to observe it. Yeah, we've one. Okay. I'll just open that up so we can look at our rules. Okay. It broke through. So yeah, we'd actually only entered on this one here if we'd obeyed the rules with the Bollinger Bandwidth. So that was a nice win. Win number 6. Oh, Brian, you're showing me the way to do it. Well done. Well done. See, Brian obeyed the signal. He waited for it to breach the 8 and took it and won. That Bollinger Bandwidth is as I said before, it's not 100%, but it's certainly 80%, and it's good. It certainly is saving us a lot of, having to martingale. Watch GU now. We'll see what it does. It's come back a bit, but if it had stayed up here, I think it would, in the next candle, yeah. In the next candle, I think it's going to come down. I'm not taking it, but I believe it will. That's no, not anymore. It has to stay up. Whew. Look at that for a retracement back. Okay, Euro GBP. It's this is a sort of in between the Bollinger's one. You can prepare for it, guys, on minimum. I like the way it's, well, I was going to say I like the way it's sticking on the 38.2. Yeah, it's above the 8. I'm going to go for it. It may go back up. I think it may go back up. Entering. Nope, wants to go down. Those middle Bollinger ones are always risky at the best of times. And the problem with this one is it's, the strength, it's only just about 50, so it does have room to carry on up. Or carry on down, I should say. Only go back in, guys, if you're feeling comfortable with it. Entering. We have another signal from something else, Euro USD. Same situation as here. It's going to be a really close one. Going to win it just, okay, by about 1 pipette, I'd say. I do see one thing they've removed. The actual price used to be here, and that's gone. 74, 73, 1 pipette, yeah. Sorry, did you go back in? Oh, okay. Yeah, when it ties, you go back in. Although it has come up above the 1.25, it's, you know, when it ties, it's what's called indecision. So it's telling us it's not sure what it's going to do. So more than likely, it'll go in the direction of the arrow. Which it has, and that would have been a lovely win if you'd gone back in. Now, how did I win it and you guys didn't? I was bang on the 0-0. Did you go back in, Steph? Okay, good. So Ed, on your next entry, you're going to have to martingale up, whatever that one will be. This should put me over the thousands. Oh, what are we on? GU. It's not up to the. It was below the 5. Now hang on. Euro GBP is between the Bollingers again. It's a toughie. That one is a toughie to go for. I think I'm going to go for Euro GBP for a put. It has to stay up. It has to stay up. 4, 3, entering. Come on down. I'm tied at the moment. There we go. Just preparing to go up again. Damn it. Come on down. No, I'm going to have to re-enter. 3, 2, 1. It's tied. Entering. Oh, I won on expiry. I've re-entered, but hopefully I'll win them both. Hold on. Yeah, looks like I'm going to win them both. Ah! Oh! Oh! That's going to... I'm going to shut up. I'm not going to say a thing. Oh! Nasty. Okay, I'm not re-entering. the reason I didn't re-enter was because of all of this action. If it hadn't done all of this, bang down and then way back up and all, I probably would have looked for a re-entry. But just that action made me think there's something else going on. So that's why I didn't. So we'll just wait for another signal. Well done, Ed. So hopefully you recovered. So I'm going to enter the next signal at 136. Even though I won this one, I don't really need to go in at 136, but what am I down? 44, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm only down 12. So if I went back in at 58, I'd probably be okay. Now things like this, guys, what I did there, not going on, that comes again with experience, really. It did doji, and I was comfortable that it would win, and you know, it went right down, but then it recovered and came back up. When it does things like that, it just makes me feel uncomfortable, and that's why I didn't go back in. Now, we would have won on the, well, that would have been our fourth entry, wouldn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Still. We have 5 minutes to go. One thing I didn't check before this was news. Okay, they're both in between, aren't they? I prefer Euro USD, guys. Euro USD. Euro USD. Because it's above the 8, whereas GU isn't. Okay, get ready to enter now. No, wants to go on up. This more or less will be our last trade, I would think. I'm back in the money. Could go for GU. It's above the 8. You want to do a quick one? Oh no, I think I've lost in the last second. Have I? No, I won it. I've gone in for GU because it hadn't moved, but I'm very late. how many seconds late? 9. No, I still prefer GU, so I'm going to re-enter when it reaches 0. Re-entering. Okay, it's going for the 100. Should have just stayed out, shouldn't I? Yeah, I think this might be its last one. So I'm going to enter. Entering. Proves me wrong again. Okay, see you, Steph. EG was a winner. This is a tricky one now, guys, whether to go ahead with this. If you're uncomfortable, don't. If you don't have enough if your account isn't big enough to go, this is only the 4th entry. It's given itself room to carry on up. But what I'm seeing here is a weakening here. Okay. I won't re-enter after this. Back in the money. Okay, and that was a winner. And that's where we're going to call a halt to today's proceeding. I'll just call up my trading report. Oh, Dino, don't tell me you were sweating. That was only our 4th entry. Guys, you're going to have to get used to it. Okay, so we had a really good session. I'm up 1,000 and I can't even read that myself. This is ridiculous. 1,099 by the looks of it. For the day, so I'm up over 400. So we had 1, that was a tie, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 winners. Not bad for the session. So that's all right. Good. Okay, guys. We won that last one by 6 pipettes. That's okay. That's all right. So I'm going to call a halt. So this is Angus Levy for Binary Option Networking saying thank you and good.